Good evening, class. So today we'll be doing the last two questions of exercise 12.2, and with this we will come to the end of exercise or chapter 12. Okay, clear? Alright. Now this is the given question. A floral design of a floor is made up of 16 tiles. Okay, which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter, and 35 centimeter. So that means we have how many tiles? 16 tiles, clear? And all these 16 tiles, the sides of the triangular are all, they have the same measurement, clear? So all the 16 tiles, that means you see, this is one tile, you focus on this triangle, 28, 9, 35, 35, 9, 28. That means this also, okay, that means all the rest of this means 9 centimeter, this means 28 centimeter, and this means 35. For all the rest, okay, it means the same, clear? They have the same measurement. So if you're able to find out the area of a triangle or the area of one of these given tiles, you can actually just you can do it for the rest, right? The rest of the area of the rest of the tiles is going to be the same. Therefore, what can I write? Therefore, you see, I'll just consider one triangle, clear? Let's see, what does it looks like? It looks like this, and then like this. It looks like this, right? Okay, so this is 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter, and 35 centimeter. Okay, therefore, okay, so what can I say? What can we do next? We can say, okay, since all the 16 tiles, okay, have same measurement, okay, if we find the area of one tiles, it should suffice. That means therefore the area of what? The area of the floral design, okay, design of the floor, this is going to be equal to 16 into area of one triangle. Okay, now let us find the area of one triangle. So therefore area of a triangle, okay, triangles, what do we have? We have A as 9 centimeter, B as 28 centimeter, and C as 35 centimeter, up to this much. Therefore your S will be A plus B plus C by 2 is equivalent to 9 centimeter plus 28 centimeter plus 35 centimeter by 2. Okay, alright, so this becomes 72 centimeter by 2. So this will give you 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 6, so 36 centimeter. Okay, alright. Okay, now let us focus. Okay, so we have this given triangle 36, therefore the area is going to be of a triangle is what? Using Heron's formula, what should you get? You can write this as S of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So this is, what is S? 36 centimeter. 36 minus 9 centimeter, 36 minus 28 centimeter, and 36 minus 35 centimeter. Okay, so 36, you can write this as 36 into 26. 36 minus 9 is going to be 27 into 36 minus 28 is going to be 8. Clear? and this will give you 1, and you can take all the centimeters to one side. Clear? I'm just adding all the centimeter you need, okay, so that we can just follow a step-by-step procedure. So can I write 36 as 9 into 4, and can I write 27 as 9 into 3, and finally can I write 8 as 4 into 2? Clear? Up to this much. Now you see, okay, we'll pair them up. Okay, it's a small space, but we'll try to adjust it here so that we don't have to. 9 and 9, can I write it as 9 square? Now 4 and 4, can I write it as 4 square? And finally you're left with 3 into 2. You can just directly write as 6. So centimeter square, the whole thing square. Clear? So you cancel out 4 square, 9 square, and centimeter square. So you'll be left with 9 into 4 of root 6 centimeter square. So this becomes 36 root 6 centimeter square. Clear? Now if you remember, okay, therefore what can you do? What is root 6 value? Refer to the previous video, okay? Please refer to the previous video. So root 6 can be written as 2.45 centimeter square. Clear? Okay, refer to the previous video of how I found out the value of 8 root 6. So 26 into 2.45 will give you 88.2 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of what? The floral designed is equal to 16 into what? Area of one triangle. So what did we get for area of one triangle? That is 16 into 88.2 centimeters square. Clear? So now when you do the multiplication for this, you get 1411.2 centimeters square. That is 88. Ignore, okay, don't put the point now, okay, just try to omit that in order to avoid confusion. Just remove the point, okay. So 6 into 12, 8, 48, 49, 6, 48, and then 52. 2 ones are 2, 8 ones are 8, and 8 ones are 8. So 2, 1, 8, 1, then 8, 9, and 14. Clear? So 1411.2. Therefore, what is the question asking us? The cost of polishing the tiles at what? At rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Okay, this is 50 paise, right? So that means 1411.2, we have to find the cost of this into how much? 50 paise. Now you see, try to think in terms of modern terms, or you can write this as, no problem, 50 paise, or else should I write this as rupees 0.5? See, because nowadays what happen is that transaction, whenever you exchange, you buy something, you buy it with the help of paise? No, we're making use of rupees, okay, for that matter. Or else you can take that as a logic. All right, you can take that, okay, or else you can write this as 50 by 100 rupees, 50 by 100. Clear? So 50 paise per centimeter square. So this will become per centimeter square. So centimeter square will go down, cancel centimeter square, cancel this, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are this, and then you can do this, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are, okay, sorry, so 2, wait, okay, just give me a second. 2 sevens are 14, right? And then so you're left with 0, 2 fives are 10, and 2 6. So you're left with rupees, okay, here rupees 705.6. Clear? This is your answer, okay. See, we're trying to write it in terms of rupees. Clear? All right, you will, if you don't want, you can just write it in terms of paise, but then you'll have to again end up converting that into rupees, because in modern times, okay, the same logic, we buy things using rupees, not paise. Clear? So hence rupees. Okay, so now we'll go with the next question, and the final question. This is given. Okay, a field is in the shape of trapezium. Okay, it is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 20. Okay, this is the shorter one, so I think I'll write that as my 10 centimeter, obviously. Okay, so this is going to be your 10 meter. Okay, the shorter side, okay, parallel side 25 meter, and the non-parallel sides, okay, the non-parallel sides are given as 14 meter and 13 meter. You can always name your trapezium as A, B, C, D. Clear? See, these two sides are parallel. Clear? AB is parallel to DC, and the non-parallel side. See, these two lines are not parallel. A line is parallel only when it's like this. Now these two lines are like this. So these two lines, that means see, AD and BC cannot be parallelogram. Clear? Now, solution. Okay? So you have to find what? We have to find the area of a field. What is this field? What is the field? The field is in the shape of a trapezium. That means we have to find the area of a trapezium. Clear with this? Of a trapezium, or we can write an area of a field in the shape of a trapezium. Now what is the area of the area of a trapezium? I have already told you it is half into base 1 plus base 2 into height. So this is the base 1. Okay, so you can write base 1 is equal to 10 meter, base 2 is equal to 25 meter. So therefore area can be written as half into 10 meter plus 25 meter into, do you know the height? You look at this, can AD be the height? You think about it, can AD be the height? No, AD cannot be the height, nor can BC be the height, because these two, see, remember, when you're trying to find the height of any person, that person has to be standing straight. So AD, BC are not standing straight. Okay, for that very reason, we do not know the height. So I cannot write AD or BC as the height. So I have to keep this blank, H only. So half into 35 meter by into H. So you can write 35 by 2 meter into H. Clear? So now what is our next step? Our next step is to find the height, since we do not know. So in order to find the height, we'll have to end up drawing, okay, a straight line here. Clear? Okay, I'll draw a straight line here, and this is your H. Okay, we do not know here H, we don't know the height of a trapezium. Now I'll draw a line called, okay, try to use a scale for this, AF. Okay, I'll say AF is parallel to 13. Clear? So you can say construct AF parallel to A. Let's see, what was this? Construct AF parallel to BC. Therefore AF must be equal to BC, and AF and BC must be equal to 13th meter. So now you look at this, you have this as 13th meter. Clear up to this much? Okay, clear? Now what can you notice? Is AB not the same as FC? Here I can here AB is also parallel to FC. Therefore AB equal to FC must be equal to 10 meter. Okay, that means here, okay, let me just rub that 25 off for now. Okay, alright, so I'll write this as, so this line is, this entire line from here to here, it is 25 meter, but I'm saying AB here, AB parallel to FC, so FC must be 10 meter. That means DF must be 15 meter. Clear with this? Be careful, understand, okay, what parallel means. If the lines are parallel, means they are going to be equal. Clear? So here AB are parallel. AB is parallel with FC, so I can say AB is 10 meter. That means FC is also going to be 10 meter. Therefore DF is going to be equal to how much? 15 meter. Now you look at this. Okay, clear up to this much. All right. So therefore, what do you know? You see, consider triangle ADF. Okay, so let us consider triangle ADF. So therefore, what do you have? We have AF is equal to 13 meter. We also have DF is equal to 15 meter. And finally you have AF, AD. ADS, let's see what is AD. AD is going to be equal to 14 meter. Clear? Okay. Therefore, I can write this as A so this is going to be my B is going to be my 15th meter, and C is going to be my 14th meter. Okay, therefore let's find out S. Therefore S is going to be A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, okay, so clear with this. We have A plus B plus C. Now to find out the value of S, what is the value of A? It is 13 meter plus 15 meter plus 14 meter by 2. Okay, so how much is this? 13 plus 15, 28. 28 plus 14 will give you 42 meter by 2, and this will be give you 21 meter. Therefore area is going to be area of which triangle? Area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle ADF is going to be equal to S of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So I can finally write S as 21 meter. 21 minus A is going to be 13 meter. 21B is going to be 15 meter, and 21C is going to be 14 meter. Clear? So finally you can write this as 21 meter into 21 minus 13 is going to be 8 meter, 21 minus 15 is going to be 6 meter, and 21 minus 14 is going to be 7 meter. Clear with this? Therefore, can I write 21 as 7 into 3, right? Into, can I write 4 as 4 into 2? Into, there's a reason why I'm writing 3 as 6 as 3 into 2 into 7 meter to the power 4. Now you look at this. Can you pair them up? 7 and 7. So this becomes 7 square, 3 and 3. Can I write it as 3 square? You look at this. 4. Can I write it as 2 square? And you have repetition here, 2 and this 2. So this can also be written as 2 square. Meter square, the whole thing square. So you can start cancelling out all the values of square here. Okay, so finally you'll be left with 7 into 3 into 2 into 2 meter square. Clear? Alright, so the value of this is going to give you how much? 7 into 1, 7 into 3, 21, 21 into 4. It means 84 meter square. Okay, now clear with this. Okay, now you focus on this. Area of triangle. What is this triangle? ADF. ADF is also the same as half into base into height. Now the base, what is the base going to be? Go back to your previous diagram, okay? If you're confused, go back. Triangled A, what we're trying to find out, what A, D and F. And then what is DF? DF is the base. This is the base and this is the height. Okay, now why do we need to find the height? We need to find the height because we want to substitute it here. Okay, clear? We want to find the height to substitute the value of h such that we can get the area of the trapezium. Okay, which means the area of the field. Okay, which means the area of the trapezium and the area of the field. Clear? The same thing. Because why this specifically area of a trapezium? Because the field is in the shape of a trapezium. Clear with that? Now you look at this. The base is going to be 15 meter. Clear? Because in triangle A, D and F, DF is the base. So the base is 15 meter. Okay, I'm repeating, but be careful with that. So I can write this as 15 meter. What did we find triangle of ADF as? Just now we found out 84 meters square into height. Now you take this to the other side. This becomes 1 by 15 meter into 2 is equal to h. So you can write this as cancel meter and meter. Okay, and 3 2s are 6 and 3 8s are 48, 3 5 15. So you're left with 56 by 5 meter. Clear? Here see 1 meter is cancelled, 1 meter gone, so 1 meter will remain. Okay, see, meter square into 1 by meter. You take meter into 1 by m. If you cancel them out, you're left with 1 meter. Therefore, finally, area of trapezium. Okay, trapezium field. You can just write that. All right. So what is the area of the trapezium field going to be? It is going to be half or 35. Okay, what did we find out? You see, you go back in case if you're confused. What is the area of a trapezium? Here, area of a trapezium 35 by 2 meter into h, right? So you write this. The area of a trapezium is going to be 35 by 2 meter into h. What is h? So what is this going to be? 35 by 2 meter into 56 by 5. So you do this. 5 into 7s are 35. 2 times 2, 2 times 8. There's a meter here, okay? Therefore, this is going to be as, you take the multiplication of 28 into 7. What do you get? 196 meters square. Clear? That is what the question is asking. Alright, the area of the field. So in conclusion, if you want, you can always write this. Therefore, area of the field is equal to 196 meters square. Okay, all right, so this is the given answer. Okay, so we'll end it here. This completes our unit, our exercise, or our chapter. This completes our chapter 12. Okay.